What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you or we'll be discussing you how to trade Forex MT5 and pocket option. So there are two ways here that you may want to try, but let's go and explain a few things. So the first option that you may want to use here is you may want to use MT5 with another broker. Now the thing with this one is with pocket option, it doesn't necessarily support or directly support MetaTrader 5. So you may want to use another broker instead. So to do that, you want to go ahead and just basically open up an account with MT5 supported brokers like Exness or IC Markets. Then download and install the MT5 on your PC or your phone. Now, from then on, you want to go ahead and basically open the app and log in using your credentials from your broker. And now you should be ready to start trading Forex with all the features MT5 has to offer, like advanced charting, expert advisors, or detailed market depth. Now, in some cases, this might not be feasible to you, so you can actually use another method here, which in this case is going to be using trade Forex. So you could go and just trade Forex here on pocket option, so without any MT5. So you want to go and just log in into your pocket option account, so either on the web or through the app, and head to the trading section and choose Forex from the available instruments. Now pick a currency pair you want to trade, like Euro, USD, GBP, GPY, and etc. So set up your trade size here, leverage stop loss, and take profit levels as well. And finally, just choose buy or sell depending on how you think the market will move. So this method lets you do basic Forex trading here in a CFD or contract for difference format using Pocket Option's own trading platform. It's straightforward, especially if you're already familiar with how Pocket Option works. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.